Your doctor checks your reports. He scans the numbers carefully. Line by line: cholesterol, normal blood pressure. Fine, everything looks okay. On paper, nothing seems wrong. But then comes the part no report fully explains. Your belly fat. Still not moving. Despite doing everything right. What if the very meal you trust every morning is quietly blocking fat burning? You eat eggs every morning. It feels like a smart choice. High protein. Simple. Clean, healthy choice, right? That's what most people believe. But here's the truth. Not exactly, because most people are not eating eggs wrong in quantity alone. They're eating them wrong in strategy. Look around. Most people eat eggs the wrong way. They overcook it until the yolk turns dry and lifeless. They eat just one egg, thinking it's enough. Or they pair it with toast, adding a quick carb hit first thing in the morning. And then something strange happens. Energy crashes. Focus disappears. Hunger comes back faster than expected. And belly fat. It stays exactly where it was. So what's really going on here? To understand this, you need to see eggs differently. An egg is not just food. It's a biological package. A complete system designed by nature, designed to create life. Inside that small shell is a perfect balance of nutrients working together with a purpose. The white builds. It provides structure, protein, and repair. But the yolk controls. It holds the real power. It carries the signals your body actually responds to, and yet, most people throw it away. They remove the yolk out of fear, or damage it through cooking, without realizing they're removing the most important part of the system, because inside the yolk is something powerful. A compound your body depends on. It helps move fat out of your liver. Think of your liver like a central processing unit. Every bit of fat that gets used for energy passes through it. But if the liver becomes overloaded, fat gets stuck. It can't move efficiently. It can't be burned properly. And when that happens, your body shifts into storage mode. Instead of burning fat, it holds onto it. This is where everything starts to make sense, but here's where things change. The first variable is quantity. This is where most people underestimate the process. 1 egg too weak. It doesn't send a strong enough signal. 2 eggs. Still not enough. It's better, but still incomplete. 3 eggs. That's where the shift happens. 3 eggs activate the signal your body recognizes. Your body works like an engine. And like any engine, it needs enough fuel to start. 1 egg. Nothing starts. 2 eggs. Slight movement, but 3 eggs, engine on. That's when your body receives the message that resources are available, that it's safe to function optimally. Now your body protects muscle. And at the same time, it becomes more willing to burn fat. This isn't about eating more randomly, it's about reaching the threshold your body needs to respond. But even if you get the quantity right, there is another mistake waiting. Now the second mistake, cooking. Overcooking destroys the signal. When you apply too much heat, something changes at a deeper level. Heat damages key nutrients inside the yolk. The very compounds your body needs begin to break down. It's like breaking a tool before using it. The structure is still there, but the function is gone. That's why the method matters. Keep the yolk soft, slightly runny, gently cooked. In this form, your body can actually use it. The nutrients stay intact. The signals remain clear. And when that happens, something else improves too. Better focus, better clarity, more stable energy. And now comes the part that surprises most people. To burn fat, you need fat. It sounds counterintuitive at first. But biologically, it makes perfect sense. When you add the right type of fat like butter, ghee, or coconut oil, your body responds differently. These fats help trigger satiety signals. They tell your brain that you're full, that you have enough energy. But not all fats work the same way. Avoid refined oils. Highly processed oils can increase inflammation and interfere with these signals. The type of fat matters just as much as the amount. When you include the right fat, something powerful happens. Fat triggers a signal that tells your brain you're full. Hunger stays away longer, energy stays stable. No sudden drops, no constant cravings. And now we come to the biggest mistake of all. Toast. Your body works like a balance. A system constantly adjusting between storing energy and using it. When you add toast, something changes instantly. Toast spikes insulin. It pushes your body into storage mode. And when insulin rises sharply, fat burning shuts down. It doesn't matter how healthy your eggs are. The moment that spike happens, Your body shifts direction, but without toast balance. Day's insulin remains stable. Your body doesn't rush into storage mode. Instead, fat becomes fuel. Slowly, steadily, efficiently. Now imagine your morning: 3 eggs, soft yolk, cooked gently in butter, no toast, no unnecessary extras. Just a clean, powerful signal, and then notice what happens. No crash, just steady energy. Hours pass, and you don't feel that sudden drop. Mid-morning, no hunger, no urge to snack. Your body keeps burning stored energy instead of asking for more. By evening, you feel different. More in control. No strong cravings pulling you toward sugar or junk food. Your decisions feel easier, more natural. One meal affects your entire day. Not because of calories, but because of signals. This is not magic. It's signaling. Your body responds to signals, not just food. So instead of fighting your body, you start working with it. Try this for 1 day. Just one. It's simply responding to what you give it. Change the signal, and the response changes too. And if you want more simple, science-based insights like this, make sure to subscribe. Because this isn't about trends. It's about understanding how your body really works. Start sending better signals.